Hello, welcome back to my channel Basics with me. Today we will see which is an important part of narration. In narration we will see how to convert direct speech into indirect speech. But before going to this narration we will see some reporting verbs, that how to change reporting verbs from direct to indirect, or what will be the form. So here suppose few are some are fixed and some are variable. So here if you have given said to, it will change to told. If it is said, it will said only. If says to, it becomes tells. If says, remains same, says. But here said also change into told. How? Now here example is given. I said you are laborious. Now here this is the direct speech. For this you need to go through first this. If reported speech subject is second person, now here this is your, from here I to said, it is your reporting speech, and this full from here to here is your reported speech. So here if your reported speech subject is second person, here this is second person. So and object of reporting speech is not given, object is not given here. So here reported speech second person subject will change into first or third person. If here it is your second person subject and in reporting speech object is not giving, then this your second person will get changed into either to first or second subject. And the object of reporting speech, here the object of this reporting speech can be written according to first or third person subject. If he convert this second person to third, then you have to use object according to this. If they had written here first person, then you should have used according to the first person. So this is the case. So here they have used object, that's why they wrote it told. That's why the said is changed into told. Otherwise if you have not written this object, then you can write I said that he was a laborious, that's all. But you have used here object, that's why they have changed this told instead of said. Now one more, said to can also be changed into asked, prevented, forbade, prohibited, and etc. Here is example. He said to him, do not sit idle. In this type of questions you have to keep in mind whether it is order, a request, permission, whatever. So here it will get changed into indirect like this. He prevented or prohibited him from sitting idle, or he forbade him to sit idle, or he asked him not to sit idle. Whatever you can write, but depends on the sentence while changing into direct to indirect. So that's all. Now we will start our narration chapter. We will go step by step and with rules. So thank you friends for watching this video, and in next video we will start with narration.